Tighten your seatbelt as we take you on this smooth ride. Let's go!
It's the morning drive on 103.5 Ebona DFM, keeping your morning engaging as we take you through the smoothest ride on radio.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
Getting your morning inspired, be informed. Let's interact only on the morning.
Okay. Anyway, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you're watching from, please like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. Check this out. It's on Amazon.com, hip hop and Igbo culture by yours faithfully, Martin in French quickly. So, right, check that out there. It's also available at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonia. Also available at St. Michael's Catholic Church, Abacha. Thank you. Stick around for newspaper headlines.
From 7 a.m. to 9:30 a.m.
On the morning drive.
103.5 FM DFM.